Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a few flat twist styles that I think are perfect for my fussy hair and will be perfect for yours. So if you'd like to see that and if that's something you think you're interested in watching, just keep watching. So I'll be doing this style on moisturized hair. I have a video on how I moisturize my hair before styling, and I'll leave the link down in the description below. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly. I start the style by parting my hair from ear to ear. I do this free-handed, mostly because I'm not concerned about whether the parting is clean or not. But if you are, you should use a mirror and make sure the parting is clean. She lives a double life. What's on the show? What's under the shadow smile? You'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Once I'm done parting, I section off the back with a band, and then I am onto the flat twist. So as you can see, my front half is already sectioned into two, and then I further section those two into two more sections, which I will be using for the flat twist. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about the features. You find the beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. I put the sections in twists just to make sure the ones I'm not working on are out of the way, and then I detangle each section as I go. Once I have that section ready, I am ready to flat twist. I have a video tutorial on how to flat twist your own hair. If that's something you'd like to see, I'll be leaving the link down in the description below. They can match that Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. So once I'm done with the flat twist, it's time for the bun. I take some Echo Styling Gel and I rub it all around the back, and then I use my detangling brush to just smooth down the back. Next, I pull all the hair up, including the twists, as tight as possible to form a bun. Once I'm done with that, I loosen the twist and then I spritz my hair a little and fluff it out using an afro comb. Next, I lay my edges. I have a video on how I lay my fussy edges flat and get them to stay down, and I'll also be leaving the link down in the description below. I spice the hair up with a few silver cuffs. And we are done. So I'll just be showing you an alternative style that I also think is perfect, especially for this twist, which is two buns instead of one. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like, comment, subscribe, click the notification button and follow my social media. Bye.